So I got a really great question in the comments yesterday when I was applying my 1-layer 3D makeup. How do you not blend everything together? So as you can see, I've already applied my product in the proper placement. So we're gonna take the 3D brush, we're gonna take this round buffer end, and we're just gonna focus on the place where we have highlight. I'm gonna leave this area alone as well as around my forehead and underneath my jaw until the end. Once you get up to your eye area, I'm gonna flip it around to this tapered end, which is really nice for getting underneath the eye. And again, you might blur a little bit into this, but don't worry about it. So now that we have our highlight mostly blended in, now I'm gonna go around to the places where I have contour and the lip and cheek. So again, you see that the contour is placed under here, lip and cheek. It doesn't blend together like you think it will, which is kind of the magic part. You see it still has these two separate lines. It's only when I start kind of buffing upwards, a little bit down, that they start to blend just a little bit together, because you don't want those two separate lines. You want a nice blend. And then if there's any areas where I feel like I need a little bit of extra coverage, then I'm just gonna gently dip into my main highlight and go over those areas by patting it in. So after everything is blended, I'll go into my powder Illuminator Georgia with the fluffy end of a brush and add a little bit more glow.